Hi there, I'm Debbie from the tourist office in Caleta de Fusti. I'm the local councillor for tourism. This year it will be the 32nd year of the Islands Craft Fair, where you have handicraft workers, the artisans. They come from all over the Canary Islands to the village of Antigua by the Cheese Museum, and there you'll have all the stalls. There's over 200 stalls. You'll see them making jewellery, handicrafts with wood. You can try some local wine. You can taste the olive oils, the local cheeses. There's lots to experience when you're there. A great day out for all the family. The official opening is at 6 o'clock on Thursday evening, and it'll go on until Sunday. The good news is we can get you up there free of charge with the buses that we've organised from all the different tourist resorts around the island. So you'll be able to pick up your free bus tickets. These we have here, and you can pop along to one of your local tourist information centres, or from your Tenense Alcaldias or your council offices. And the council office in Caleta, you can pick up a ticket, or the tourist information office. We also have buses going from Costa Antigua, from the Hotel Costa Tropical is where you can pick up your bus tickets as well. They'll also give you information here in 5 different languages. It gives you all the information of what's on during the whole weekend, and information as well about where the pickup places are for your free bus, and exactly where to go to pick up those tickets. You can also get all this information on our website, which is www.caletadefusti.es. If you also decide to take a hire car or your own car up to the fair, you'll be able to park that in the centre of Antigua and then catch the little microbus, the minibus, which we call the park and ride, and that allows you to park more comfortably in Antigua. And then there's a bus that leaves the public square next to the church every 10 minutes. That's on the Saturday and Sunday. The free buses as well from all your tourist resorts, they'll be going from Caleta de Fusti, from Costa Antigua, from the north of the island, from the tourist resort of Coralejo, Costa Calma in the south, and the resort of Handia as well. So those free buses will be guided. There will also be official guides on board the actual buses that take you there. And the buses are available on the Saturday and the Sunday. There's buses in the mornings and buses in the afternoons. And then if you're going from Coralejo or from the south, then the buses are only available in the mornings on the Saturday and Sunday. So don't miss out the 32nd Island Craft Fair. Look forward to seeing you there.